Naniniwala si Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. na makatutulong ang pagbubukas ng Grand Westside Hotel sa Parañaque City sa ekonomiya at turismo ng bansa. Kumpiyansa din ng Pangulo na makakalikha ito na nasa 20,000 trabaho para sa mga Pilipino. Si Kenneth Pasyente sa detalye.
Pinangunahan ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ang inaugurasyon ng pinakamalaking hotel sa bansa, ang Grand Westside Hotel sa Parañaque City. Sa kanyang talumpati, binigyang diin ng Pangulo ang kahalagahan ng naturang establishmento para mapalakas pa ang ekonomiya ng bansa. Patunay din anya ito na unti-unti nang nakababangon ang sektor ng turismo mula sa dagok ng pandemic.
It is an important addition to the company's impressive lineup of prestigious development projects, as well as to Philippine tourism and hence to our economy. This is particularly noteworthy considering the remarkable growth of the tourism sector, which contributed 8.6% to the country's GDP last year of 2023. Thanks to this hotel, we can do more. Not only can we accommodate the resurging number of local and international tourists coming to this side of Metro Manila, but we can also expect our entertainment city to become better known and even more distinguished.
Dagdag pa ng punong ehekutibo, magiging daan ang mga ganitong establishmento para makapag-generate ng trabaho para sa mga Pilipino. Dito rin anya mas maipapakita ang pagiging maalaga, magiliw at hospitable ng mga Pinoy.
We foresee not only the entry of more tourists but also the generation of more jobs, of new businesses and of greater opportunity. In fact, many have benefited from the actual construction of these projects. Around 20,000 direct and indirect jobs will still be created throughout the operation of this hotel in the years to come.
Tiniyak naman ng punong ehekutibo na tuloy ang mga inisyatiba at pagsisikap ng pamahalaan para mas mapalakas pa ang ganitong uri ng industriya.
As this administration continues to formulate policies, foster social cohesion and development, and build better and more infrastructure, one thing is clear. Our work together can help empower the Filipino in ways that will allow them to contribute to our society and to enjoy themselves while doing that. Indeed, all of us share the desire to raise sustainable, complete, well-rounded communities that even the next generations can enjoy.
Ang Grand Westside Hotel ay dalawang 19-story facility na may tinatayang 1,500 rooms na accessible sa international gateway ng bansa, ang NAIA. Kenneth Pasyente, para sa Pambansang TV, sa Bagong Pilipinas.